friends, we have two lovely boys, Ashwin and Atharvan, and they would like to express their views on the current situation. So, I am their mother, and we prepared a list of questions to ask them. So, I'll start with Atharvan first. Atharvan, how old are you?
6 years.
Okay, and how was your day today?
Very nice.
What exactly did you do?
I did my classes. I kept utensils. I saw TV. I did skipping.
It's okay if you don't remember. That's all right. It's okay, doesn't matter. Thank you so much. So, Ashwin, how old are you?
8.5.
Okay. And how was your day?
My day was nice. I helped my family keep the utensils in its places. I did grooming. I did skipping, and I watched TV for a while with my brother. I ate ice cream. I did skipping.
It's okay. That's all right. So, is it safe to go out? Atharvan, this question is for you. Is it safe to go out during this time?
No,
And why is that?
because coronavirus is there.
Okay. And what will coronavirus do?
It will make us sick.
Oh, okay. And what about you, Ashwin? What do you think? Is it safe to go out?
It is not safe to go out in this current situation. So stay in your homes. And if we go out, if we get coronavirus, they will keep us in the hospital far away from our family.
Okay. Well said. But how are you feeling about the whole situation? Do you want to say that? Tell anything about it, Ashwin?
No, I feel very bad, but
Why you feel bad?
because we cannot go to school and play with our friends, and we cannot even go down to play.
Okay. And what about you, Atharvan? What do you feel about the lockdown?
Sad.
Sad. Yeah. Okay. But why sad?
I'm missing my friends.
You are missing your
Friends.
huh? I understand that. No problem. This shall pass very soon. Don't worry. Are you praying to God
Yes.
for the situation to change?
Yes.
Very good. So, how you both are helping your family at this time? Do you want to say? Okay. Like, can you tell me what exactly are you doing besides the naughtiness you keep doing all day and the fighting? Both of you do?
I help them do jhadu.
Hmm.
I help them do mop.
Hmm.
I help them keep the utensils.
Okay.
I help them do their work.
That's great. It's all right. What about you, Ashwin?
I help them in grooming sometimes. Then I help them keep the utensils in their places. Then once I cleaned a little bit of the utensils also.
What did you do today for your dinner?
I made my own dinner today.
And what was that?
Dosa.
You both made it yourself?
Yes.
Very nice. Did you do it alone or did you take your mom's help?
I took my mom's help.
What about you, Atharvan?
Even me.
Okay, great. All right. And any good advice you would like to give to all the people who would be listening to this interview?
Please do not go out in this current situation. Otherwise, you will be kept far away from your family in the hospitals.
Great. What about you, Atharvan? You want to give any good advice to the people around?
You don't have to go out because coronavirus is there. And if you get coronavirus, you will get sick, and because of that you can die also.
Oh my God. Okay.
One
Very
more.
strong thoughts,
I
Atharvan.
have one more.
Yeah, tell me.
And if you get bored, you can with any of your family member.
Yeah, very nice, very good. So my last question for both of you is, Atharvan, you want to tell first, what will you do when the lockdown will get over?
We will go down to play. No, we will get our cycles,
Okay.
new one,
Uh,
and then we can play with it.
uh,
Then we can leave the cycles and go down to play with our friends.
okay, fantastic, very nice. What about you,
I will
Ashwin?
feel very good because I will be going to school to make new friends in the first day of school. And when we buy the new cycles, I will play with it and I will play with my friends also. I will be very happy after this lockdown gets over.
Oh, fantastic. So,
Even I will share my cycle
oh, with whom?
with my friends
Oh, fantastic.
if they ask me.
Okay, great. So, thank you so much, both of you, for your time and answering all the questions. Lots of love to both of you for giving us time. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.